Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones JBL Live 400 TWS on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store, then you go to search and to the search line, then write JBL and search. Then then install JBL headphones. Hello? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!